Before this SUV even moves an inch, it already tells a story. A story of control, refinement, and unmistakable authority. What you're looking at isn't just a luxury SUV dressed in chrome and confidence, it's a statement engineered to dominate quietly. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 doesn't announce itself with noise or aggression. It stands still, polished, composed, and lets the world adjust around it. Visually, this machine carries a presence that feels almost architectural. The front end is bold yet disciplined, anchored by an oversized Maybach-style grille that stretches wide and tall, finished in deep chrome with horizontal precision. It doesn't feel sporty, and it's not meant to. This grille represents formality, status, and tradition, the kind of design language usually reserved for heads of state and global leaders. The Mercedes emblem sits proudly at the center, not flashy, just confident. The LED headlights are razor-sharp and modern, cutting clean lines into the front fascia. They look intelligent rather than aggressive, framing the vehicle with a calm but commanding gaze. Below them, the lower bumper integrates sculpted intakes and subtle carbon-style detailing, adding depth without breaking the elegance. Everything feels intentional, no fake vents, no unnecessary drama. From the side, the proportions tell you everything you need to know. This is a full-size luxury SUV built to be chauffeured, admired, and respected. The long, clean body lines stretch effortlessly toward the rear, finished in a pristine white paint that reflects light like polished porcelain. The blacked-out pillars and tinted glass create a floating roof effect, enhancing privacy and visual length. The wheels deserve their own moment. Massive multi-spoke alloys fill the arches perfectly, combining size with sophistication. They aren't here to flex performance, they're here to reinforce dominance. Wrapped in low-profile tires, they give the GLS 800 a planted, almost regal stance, like it belongs at the entrance of a luxury hotel rather than a parking lot. Step closer, and the details become even more impressive. Chrome accents are placed with restraint, window surrounds, door handles, subtle side vents, all contributing to an upscale aesthetic without crossing into excess. This SUV doesn't need to overdo it. Its confidence is built in. Now imagine opening the door. The moment you step inside the 2026 Maybach GLS 800, the outside world effectively shuts off. This cabin isn't designed to impress quickly, it's designed to impress permanently. The interior feels wide, airy, and meticulously crafted. Premium leather wraps nearly every surface, stitched with precision that feels closer to haute couture than automotive manufacturing. The dashboard flows horizontally, emphasizing space and calm. Dual widescreen displays stretch across the front, seamlessly integrated into a single glass panel. They don't feel like screens added later, they feel like part of the architecture. The steering wheel is thick, leather-wrapped, and elegant, with metallic controls that feel solid and cool to the touch. But let's be honest, the true soul of this vehicle lives in the rear. This Maybach GLS 800 is built for passengers who don't compromise. The rear seating area transforms this SUV into a luxury lounge on wheels. Individual executive seats recline deeply, offering legroom that rivals flagship sedans. Extendable calf supports, plush cushioning, and multi-zone climate control create an environment where time simply dissolves. Rear passengers are surrounded by technology that doesn't overwhelm, it serves. Dedicated screens allow control over entertainment, navigation, seat settings, ambient lighting, and even massage programs. Everything is within reach. Nothing requires effort. This is luxury designed to reduce decision-making, not add to it. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin in smooth, continuous lines. It doesn't glow harshly, it breathes. At night, the interior becomes a calm sanctuary, illuminated just enough to feel special without distraction. Pair that with the Burmester surround sound system, and the experience becomes immersive. Audio fills the cabin evenly, rich and precise, turning silence into something intentional rather than empty. From a driving perspective, the GLS 800 remains true to the Maybach philosophy. Power is delivered smoothly, without urgency or noise. Acceleration feels effortless, almost detached from speed itself. This SUV doesn't rush, it advances. Whether merging onto the highway or cruising through the city, the movement feels fluid and controlled. The suspension system plays a massive role here. Advanced air suspension actively adjusts to road conditions in real time, smoothing imperfections before occupants ever feel them. Uneven pavement, speed bumps, rough asphalt, all softened into near invisibility. The vehicle feels like it's gliding rather than rolling. Inside, sound insulation is exceptional. Wind noise barely exists. Road noise is reduced to a distant whisper. Conversations stay private. Phone calls feel clearer. Music sounds richer. This level of quiet doesn't happen by accident, it's engineered with layers of acoustic glass, insulation, and structural refinement. Driver assistance systems operate with the same calm intelligence. Adaptive cruise control maintains distance without abrupt braking. Lane guidance offers subtle corrections rather than sharp interventions. Parking sensors and cameras make maneuvering this large SUV effortless, even in tight urban environments. The technology never competes for attention, it supports silently. But beyond the design, beyond the technology, beyond the comfort, there's something else the Maybach GLS 800 delivers: presence. This is not a vehicle for showing off on social media. It's for pulling up with quiet authority. It's for individuals who don't need validation because they already operate at the highest level. This SUV isn't trying to impress enthusiasts or racers. It's designed for executives, dignitaries, and decision-makers, people who value calm control over excitement. The white exterior, the imposing grille, the massive wheels, the dark glass, everything works together to send a single message: this vehicle belongs at the top. It doesn't chase attention. It commands respect. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 is not about speed, numbers, or trends. It's about how you feel inside it. Relaxed. Isolated. In control. Protected from noise, stress, and distraction. This isn't just a luxury SUV. It's a mobile sanctuary. A rolling executive suite. A symbol of success without excess. And when it pulls away, silently and smoothly, it leaves behind more than tire marks, it leaves an impression that lingers long after it's gone.